Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to use Gemini AI to edit photos with simple text commands completely for free. This is a complete beginner-friendly guide, and by the end of this video you will be able to transform your ordinary photos into amazing ones without using any complicated editing software. Gemini's photo editing feature is super powerful because you just upload your picture and tell it in normal English what changes you want. Let's start. First, open your browser and go to gemini.google.com. Sign in with your regular Google account. You can also do this in the Gemini mobile app. Once the chat opens, look for the plus icon near the chat box and click it to upload the photo you want to edit. Select the image from your device and send it. After the photo is uploaded, simply type what you want to change. For example, you can say change the background to a sunny beach with blue ocean, or remove the people in the background and make it a clean office setting. Gemini will understand your instructions and create an edited version of your photo. You can make all kinds of edits. You can change outfits, adjust lighting, make the photo more cinematic, enhance colors, remove unwanted objects, or even turn a daytime photo into a nighttime scene. The more specific and clear your instructions are, the better the results will be. For instance, instead of saying make it better, say enhance the colors, make the skin smooth, add soft golden hour lighting, and give it a professional portrait look. If you don't like the first result, you can keep refining it. Just reply with something like make the sky more dramatic or change the dress color to red and add natural makeup. You can also combine multiple changes in one prompt. Another great thing is that you can edit both your personal photos and the images that Gemini itself generated earlier. This makes it very flexible for creative projects, YouTube thumbnails, social media posts, or product photos. Once you are happy with the edited image, click on it to enlarge and then use the download button to save it on your device. The free version allows a good number of edits every day. If you reach the limit, you can try again after some time. That's it. This is how you can easily use Gemini AI to edit photos. It is fast, free, and gives really impressive results when you write good instructions. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tutorials. Thanks for watching.